Hello, boys and girls. How are you today?
We're doing good.
Good. My name is Miss Lee, and I'm the counselor, and I have a book to read to you today. It's called One, and it's a story about a bully. Blue was a quiet color. He enjoyed looking up at the sky, floating on the waves, and on days he felt daring, splashing in rain puddles. Every once in a while, he wished he could be more sunny like yellow, or bright like green, or more regal like purple, or outgoing like orange. But overall, he liked being blue, except when he was with Red. Red was a hothead. He liked to pick on Blue. Red is a great color, he'd say. Red is hot, blue is not. Then Blue would feel bad about being blue. Sometimes Yellow comforted Blue. Blue is a very nice color, she'd say. But Yellow never said that in front of Red. She never said, "Stop picking on Blue." Green, purple, and orange thought Blue was nice too, but they never told Red to stop either. Every time Red said something mean, no one spoke up. He got bigger and bigger and bigger. Soon, Red grew so big that everyone was afraid of him. No one dared stop him. Red picked on all the colors, and everyone felt a little blue. Until One came. He had a different shape, with bold strokes and equal corners. He was funny, and he made the colors laugh. Red saw this, and he got very hot. "Stop laughing," he told Yellow. "Stop laughing," he told Green. "Stop laughing," he told Purple and Orange. And they did. Red rolled up to One. "Stop laughing," he told him. But One stood straight up like an arrow and said, "No." Red was mad, but One wouldn't budge, so Red rolled away. One turned to the colors and said, "If someone is mean and picks on me, I, for one, stand up and say, 'No.'" Then Yellow felt brave and said, "Me too." Green agreed and said, "Me 3." Then Purple became 4, and Orange became 5. Blue saw the colors change, and he wanted to count. Red grew hot, red hot. He felt left out, and he grew hotter and hotter and hotter. Red raced over to Blue and said what he always did: "Red is hot and blue is not." But this time Blue stood up tall and became 6. "Red can be really hot," he said, "and blue can be super cool."
Why did it go out of that picture thing?
Red blew a fuse and tried to roll over Blue. But everyone took a stand and said no. Seeing them stand tall made Red feel very, very, very small. Then Red turned even redder and began rolling away. Blue called out, "Can Red be hot and Blue be cool?" Red stopped in his tracks. "Red can count too," said One. Red rocked and rolled and turned into 7. "Everyone counts," they shouted. Then Red laughed and joined in the fun. Sometimes it just takes one. Now, boys and girls, I have some puppets. Actually, we're all boys, aren't we? No girls.
Except for you.
I have some puppets, and I'd like us to act out the story we just heard. Would anyone like to help?
Yep.
I'll
do it.
All right. Well, I need someone to be Red. How about you? Red will be played by Rex, the T-Rex puppet. All right, there's Red.
Okay.
And we need someone to be Blue. Would you be Blue? Thank you, Blue. And we need someone to be the big, brave One. Would you be One? All right. Now, I would like you to take a few minutes and let your puppets meet each other. hold them up so we can see them on the camera. Good, and you got to hold them that high when they talk to each other, okay? Now I'm going to give you all a chance to act out the story. Just make sure your puppet's in the camera. Make sure you can see your puppet.
Mommy, but how do we act out?
You'll see. Just listen to Andrew.
Hey, Blue.
What?
Red is hot. Blue is not.
Hey, Blue.
We need to see him in here. Hold it up, Anthony.
Hey, Blue. Maybe this will cheer you up. Knock, knock. Who's there? Boo. Boo-hoo. Why are you crying?
Laugh. Make your puppet laugh.
What are you doing? Stop laughing!
You don't tell me what to do. And no.
Hey, Blue. Red is hot. Blue is not.
Blue is cool and red is hot.
Ah!
Go back. Go back. Come back. Let's be friends. Be nice.
Oh. Okay. Yay!
Okay. Boys and girls, you did a nice job acting out your puppets.
We're just boys.
Now I have a few questions I'd like to ask you. Can you tell me, how did blue and the other colors feel when red was said mean things to them? How did they feel?
Sad.
Sad, okay.
Mad, agitated.
And agitated. How did red respond when one joined the friends and they all started laughing? What did red do? When the blue and all
He
the
grew angry and became hotter and hotter.
He got hotter and hotter. He did. And in what way did one act differently than the other colors when she talked to red? What did she do differently than the other guys had done? What did she say to red?
She said, stop.
She said stop, and what else?
Come play.
Yeah, she said to be nice. That's right.
Be nice.
What did red do when one said no?
Well, he tried to run over him.
Okay, at first he walked away, didn't he?
Yeah,
Yep.
I guess.
And the next time red was mean to blue, what did blue do? Was blue afraid, or did blue feel brave?
Brave.
Why did he feel brave?
Because one did.
Because one was brave. That's right. Now, how did red feel, and what did she do when blue stood up to her? When blue said no, what did red do? Was red happy?
No, she was mad.
Yes.
Tried to run over him.
Yeah, that's right. Not only was red using mean words, then he was going to roll over blue and hurt blue. How did all the colors and the number one help each other? How did they help each other?
Well, they all stood up for each other.
They stuck together and they stood up for each other. Good. All right. In the end, what happened to red?
Became a number instead of a color.
Okay. Was he still a bully?
No.
No. What was he, Alex? What did they all decide to be in the end?
Numbers.
Numbers and what?
Nice.
Nice. They decided to be nice. That's right. Let's imagine that the number one and all the colors are children that go to our school. Can people do the same things that the number one and the colors did? They can, Alex. That's right. The next time you're with a bully, Alex, what can you do?
Stood up.
You can stand up. And what's a word you can say to a bully?
Stop.
Stop. And how about another word?
Go away.
Go away. And how about another word?
Well, there's also an action you can do.
But Mommy,
What?
what if he's in a place that you have to stay?
You have to stay. You can tell him no. Do you remember when the number 1 said no to Red? That's right. We can say no. Well, boys and girls, you have been very brave to act out as puppets. It's been fun to listen to the story. Do you feel braver about addressing a bully when you have a bully?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Well, thank you for your help. Everybody say goodbye and hold your puppets up and let your puppets say goodbye.
Bye.
Good job, Blue. Good job, Blue. Good job, Red.
See ya.
Good job, number 1.